This is recently opened like few months ago. Katabi lang ng Causeway dito sa Benavides. So makikita nyo naman sa ibang vlogs na kung sino man nag-vlog dito, they're always promoting their famous quarter chicken for group, for family, or solo lang kung mag-order kayo ng with rice. Nakakatuwa lang kasi nagsimula to sa Zamboanga. Tapos nagka-franchise na sila dito around Binondo and alongside sa ibang parts ng Manila. Order ko yung fish fillet with tausi. Just look at the serving. So, ayun, not that as expected na madami, but we'll see kung ano yung quality ng kanilang fish. Kumain ako dito. Nakakatuwa lang kasi yung iba, pag rice bowl, konti lang yung rice. Pero pag nasa plato siya, mas marami yung kanin. Yung standard na inaasahan ko sa tausi nila, yung pagdating sa sauce nila, ang ginawa ko kasi separate para sulit yung kain ko. Yung fish, hiniwalay ko. Yun yung kinakain ko with rice. Then, yung sauce naman with rice. Sa sauce naman, balance yung soy nila. Hindi siya pagka-salty. Very savory and the soy flavor is right there sa tausi. Ang mas nagpasarap talaga is yung isda. Gamit nila cream dory. At first, sinabi na nila sa akin yung quality ng kanilang isda. And it really stands out my standard for this fish. Kaya naparami yung kain ko with rice, kahit ilang hiwa ko ng isda. And with the right amount of rice, it is solved naman. And hopefully you could try some of the dishes, pero kadalasan chicken ang kanilang maraming quantity. So ito, masasuggest ko, kung gusto niyo ng maraming ulam sa inyong kanin, edi mag-order kayo ng chicken, buttered chicken, quarter chicken. Marami yung quantity na tinanggap mo, di ba? Mas worth it. So, I would say go for chicken, go for quarter chicken or other chicken. Kung mahaba naman pasensya ninyo, then go for buttered chicken and other chicken meals if you want to.